Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a private key and a CSR so the certificate contains the right identity. Generate a 2040 8-bit RSA key and keep it secure. This key signs your certificate. Then produce a CSR including common name and subject alternative names. These tell clients what hostname the cert covers. Once done, inspect the CSR to confirm SAN and organizational details. Make sure file permissions restrict access to the private key during the next step. Now you self-sign the CSR to create the certificate that browsers or services will trust locally. Use OpenSil X509 with the private key and CSR, specifying a reasonable validity period like 825 days and a secure digest. Include subject alternative names either through an OpenSil config file or the ext file option. Otherwise, modern clients will reject the certificate. Once created, verify the cert details with OpenSil X509 text. If finished by installing the certificate and key where your server expects them, updating any key store or config to reference those files. Restart your service and test the TLS endpoint using OpenSil S client or a browser to confirm the chain and hostname match. If something breaks, check 3 common issues: mismatched SAN versus hostname, system clock incorrect making cert appear expired, and file permissions preventing the server from reading the private key. Once fixed, retest to ensure successful secure connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.